Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to redeem an iTunes gift card on your iPhone or iPad. It's a simple process, so let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then you'll see an option that says redeem gift card or code. Go ahead and tap onto it. And you may be asked to sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't already. Once you're inside the redeem section, you have two options. Use camera, where you have to go ahead and scan the code on the back of your iTunes gift card, and enter code manually, where you have to type in the 16-digit code found on your gift card. After entering and scanning the code, go ahead and simply tap on redeem and you will get a confirmation message and your balance will be added to your Apple ID account. And that's it, guys. Now you can use your balance to purchase apps, games, music, movies, or subscription from the App Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.